before the marina we're gonna haul out at. And the laundry here is actually a really good price, so I'm gonna come back and do laundry. Later today, we'll go explore around the city. We're heading to Old Town in, what's it called again? Tarragona?
Tarragona, yeah.
Just left Tarragona and we are heading to our final place. So we're going to our very last marina, and then that is where we will be staying. So yeah, crazy. Lenny went to the vet this morning and they did an ultrasound on his gallbladder and his just everything in his abdomen area. And his gallbladder still has sludge. He's got another little bladder stone, so I don't know if his medication isn't working as well as I thought it was or whatever. But everything else looks good, and they said it's okay as long as he stays on his medication. It shouldn't be a problem. It shouldn't be breaking it down, so that's good. Oh, and we got some thread. I got to stitch up some stuff on the boat. Just went to the store and got some thread that matched the couch cushions and everything in the boat, so I can sew up some little spots on there. And that's about it. Now we're off. Up now. Oh my god. We're gonna put out the foresail, but another miserable day. I did do it pretty tight, but we got to our marina yesterday, and we've been spending all day today contacting brokers, just trying to figure out the best way to go about selling, what broker we want to go with, and yeah, we're now just cleaning the boat up, getting everything put together to get it ready to sell. We're still not sure. We were going to be taking it out of the water and storing it on the hard, but we just talked to a broker that we liked, and he had said it was better to not take it out of the water so that people can do test sales. So now we're kind of conflicted because it's supposed to be coming out in 2 days. So yeah, it's a bit nerve-wracking leaving it in the water, like letting people go and take it for test sales when you're not even in the country. But yeah, now we have to make some big decisions. Austin's up front right now polishing the stainless steel up there, and I'm gonna go sew up just a couple little like spots in the couches that just have like a little like splits in them. I got thread yesterday from a sewing place that matches it all like perfectly. I brought the fabric with me, so it actually matches like perfect. So I'm gonna stitch that up, and yeah, everything I'm